Alright, first snow, October 15th today. I've got my beets in there. I'm going to pull some beets and make a beet wine. So here we have a couple of the beets that I'm cutting down. That one is huge. The odd shape is from the cinder block, the walls of the cinder block. Help shape it that way. There's the tops and the roots all cut up in the pan. There's the big one, just to show you the top of the pan like that. Alright, so here I have my beetroots cut down along with some stalks. Get the stalks in there, nice red stalks. So that was a great big softball shaped beetroot, the last one. That came out of one of the cinder block holes that broke open. The pieces were oddly shaped. Anyway, I'm going to get that boiling and do the rest. So now, here's my bucket, and in my bucket is sugar, 3-quart jars of regular sugar, to which I'm going to add the beets to it with the water, and then it will be a complete 3 gallons of water at the end. Alright, so here we have the hot beets with the little bit of water that I just added to the bucket with the sugar. Now we want to mix that up. And the reason I do it this way with the hot water is so that the sugar gets all melted very well. You get a simple syrup. You just want to stir that up really good. And then we're just going to add the rest of the water, which is the rest of the gallon that I used to cook these in, and then 2 more gallons. Like I said, 3 gallons in total. And then it's let it cool down, and we add a tablespoon of yeast. So later on today, once it's cool, I'll add a tablespoon of yeast, and it'll be a 14-day fermentation period. Well, hello. Here is the beet wine, which is a very deep purple red kind of a color. There we go. I'm getting a good view of it. When I first started drinking it, it was a little dense, I would say, like a root. You know, you have that root thought in your head when you're going after the beet. But it's good. It's really tasty. This is near the end of the batch, and I'm happy with it. I will make it again. Thank you. It's kind of dry, light. It's not bitter. It's not sweet. Somewhere in between. I'm happy with it. Thank you.